Good morning, guys. How are you today? Today's lesson is multiply a fraction or a mixed number by a whole number. Lesson number 8.4, page 343. Okay, guys. Christina is planning a dance routine. At the end of each measure of music, she will make a 1 1/4 turn. How many turns will she make after the first three measures of music? Okay, she will turn, she will make 1 1/4 turn, and after three measures of music, she will make how many turns? Okay, each measure, she will make 1 1/4. So after three, so I'm gonna do what? I'm gonna say 3 times 1 1/4. Okay guys, I told you when we are multiplying a whole number by a fraction, I'm gonna multiply the whole number by the numerator. But here I have a mixed number, guys. I don't have just numerator. I have a whole number also. So how I'm gonna do it? I can do it like this. I have to convert it into a fraction greater than 1. So I'm gonna do first by, second plus. So 1 times 4 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. And denominators never change. Now, can I multiply it? Yes, it's easy. 3 times 5 equals 15 and denominators never change. But guys, I can write it like this. Not anymore. I have to convert it into mixed number. So I'm gonna write 15 divided 4. Guys, do you remember the long division? Yes, our steps are divided by minus bring down. Now, 1 divided 4, can I do it? No, so I'm gonna put a 0. 1 will cry. I will tell her, don't cry. Catch the hand of the friend next to you. So 15 divided 4. Do I have 15 in table 4? No, I don't have. What is the closest number to 15? 12. Yes, and it has to be smaller than it. So I'm gonna write 12 down. What I'm gonna write up? What times 4 gave me 12? 3. Then I'm gonna subtract. 5 minus 2 equals 3. And 1 minus 1 equals 0. 3 is what? Remainder. Remainder is 3. 3 over what, guys? 4. Okay, so my answer is whole number is 3 and the fraction is 3 up because 3 is our remainder and the denominator never change. So Christina will make 3 and 3/4 turns. Okay guys, the number 1, if you multiply 3 times a quarter, is the product greater than or less than 3? Okay, 3 times a quarter. Okay, it's easy. I'm gonna multiply 3 times 1 equals 3 and denominator never change. So the question now is 3 over 4 is greater than 3 or less than 3? It's less than. Why, guys? Because 3/4 is not even a whole. It's not even 1. It's less than 1. And 3 is greater than 1. So 3/4 is less than 3. Okay guys, let's move on to page 344. Here, he wants me to write 8 and 1 over 5 as a fraction. What is the meaning of as a fraction? Happy face. As a fraction means happy face. So first by, second plus 1 times 5, 8 times 5 equals 40. 40 plus 1 equals 41. Denominators never change. 41 over 5. Guys, ignore this. So, to write it as a fraction, happy face. 8 times 5 equals 40. 40 plus 1, 41 over 5. Now here he wants you to change or to write 32 over 5 as a mixed number. Mixed number means long division. So I'm gonna say 32 divided 5. Do I have 3 divided 5? Can I do it? No, so I will put a 0. 3 will cry. Tell her don't cry. Catch the hand of the friend next to you. So it's 32. 32 divided 5. Do I have 32 in table 5? No. What is the closest number to 32? And it has to be less than 32. Yes, it's 3. But if I wrote a number down, I have to write a number up. So 30. What times 5 give me 30? 6. Then I'm gonna subtract 2 minus 0 equals 2 and 3 minus 3 equals 0. And so 2 is our remainder. So my answer is what? 6 as a whole number, 2 as a remainder. So I'm gonna write it in the numerator. Okay. And denominators never change.